Welcome.
Welcome back to my channel, guys.
So please,
Like, comment, subscribe, share.
And click the bell to get notified. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Hey guys, in today's video we'll be going in the Bamboo Walk on top of a hill to see one of the best view ever. So stay tuned. Let's begin. Not this way, but this way we'll go. This is just beautiful. That's where we're going. The sun is shining on me. This view is everything. This was so hard to climb, but it is worth it. You'll see in the end. The bomb is receiving.
Almost there.
Just wow. This is just wow. Nature is so beautiful. This view is so breathtaking. Wow, look at this. This is just amazing. Look at this view. If you made it this far in the video, just like, comment, subscribe, share, and remember to click the bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time.